Welcome to Codal Lobby. Today we'll be learning something about Python. Let's get started. Python is a programming language like many other languages. It is really simple to learn and you can do almost everything with it. Today the market of machine learning is fully based on Python and you can do a lot of things with it. So yeah, you know about machine learning, TensorFlow is just like blowing everyone's mind out, and it's just something that everyone should learn. So yeah, so I thought of making a Python tutorial. Welcome to Codal Lobby again. So I was thinking of making a Python tutorial. So yeah, this is my first video. Hope you guys like it. Like, share, subscribe. Let's sign up. So to download Python, you can just go to downloads and you can just download 3.6.5 or 2.7.14. So just go ahead and download it. Then nothing, just then install it and you'll be just ready to go. Or if you just want to test if you know or not, so just launch an interactive shell. It just takes a bit of time because it is hosted by pythonanywhere.com, so it is just a place where you can host your Python files. So you can just, if you just see this, it is 3.6.0. So if you're in the console, like 2 plus 2, it will give out 4. Simple, it works. So without further delay, oh yeah, one more thing. So there is integrated development environment, IDE, a hackable text editor for the 21st century. They call, and this is the tagline. It is called Atom. Atom is one thing that I encourage everyone to learn. It is just one thing that everyone should know because you know you get a lot of things. So to create a new file and just go ahead and add a project folder or just open a folder in which you are gonna save all your Python files. It's in, for me it's in D YouTube Python in the top there, you can see, and then just right click it and new file, then just name anything. I'm just gonna make it test.py. It works. So this is your main area for writing the whole scripts and big applications, but for most of the time you want to do some testing. So go in your desktop. After installing it, go to idle and press enter, and it just takes a bit of time to start up. Oh yeah, so it's just the same interactive shell, so you can just write 2 plus 2, it's 4. So yeah, you can do almost everything with it. So I'll be showing you how you can make your first Hello World program. To write your first Python program, go ahead and just go to your scripting table, write print, oh sorry, print, give it some brackets, give it a colon, uh, quotation marks, and just write hello world, exclamation mark. Save it, and then if you want to run it, copy its full path and go to your file explorer. I know you couldn't see it, so yeah, I'll show you where this file is stored here. And now you edit with idle and press F5. You can do either this, or you could just Yeah, save it. So yeah, you'll be testing your code here. Print hello world works. So what it does is when you're writing a CLI, a command line interface program, which just means, if you don't know what CLI means, it's just this. So this is your CLI, the CMD, the commands prompt, and if you write Python here and press enter, you'll get the Python shell and you can actually do anything. But yeah, so one more thing that I want to show is just when you're like, if you want to do it on a more technical way, press shift, press right click, and open a partial window here, and then write Python and just press tab on your top left corner of your keyboard and press enter. It will just do it for you. Python dot slash dot backward slash test.py, it works. But the more convenient way is, while you're using Atom, press Control plus comma, go to your package, go to install, press IDE, oh sorry, type terminal and just type and click on packages. It will search for it and it will give you back the results. So you see there's a platform near IDE terminal. It'll just install it and just leave it. It's for you. And whenever you are just writing a file, just see this plus symbol head that appeared, click it, and you have your command line interface there and then, just whenever you need it. So you just type python test.py, oh sorry, misspell. It works. So yeah, this is what I'll be using because it's more convenient to teach. So yeah, so thanks for let's just wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and for the next video, tune in. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. And this was my first video, so please give me a feedback. So what should I improve, what should I not? And thanks for watching again.